Today we are going to talk about teeny tiny daubers. Yes, that's right. This is what I'm talking about. This little guy with a very tiny top on it, which helps you get into those hard to reach places and most of the places where a normal finger dauber will not go. So obviously you can compare the tops on those, significantly larger, and the teeny tiny daubers work to get into those intricate places. Or think like on the inside of a like an L-shaped die or something like that, that inside corner. Or scallops. That's why I got these two cards out. So if I wanted to put a little bit of ink in that particular corner right there, the dauber will go around just fine, but getting into that little corner right there might be a challenge. That is the perfect spot for this teeny tiny dauber. So I'm going to dip it into my, my ink right there. And then I'm just going to show you how this guy can get into that little spot and just cover and color exactly where you want to go. Now, obviously, we would have done this before I made the card, but I just thought about sharing how to work with teeny tiny daubers, and I grabbed what I had to do. So I'm adding just a little bit of ink into that little corner right there. And of course, you can use glue, ink, chalks to make that perfect little dot as well. Let's do that right here. So maybe I want to make a perfect little dot to go ahead and add a little whimsical touch to it. The teeny tiny dauber, the dot on that or the tip on that is perfect for doing that as well. So I just created those little dots right there. And then if we take a look at the smaller or this particular card, what if I wanted to darken just that stitch right there? Obviously, the finger dauber would not do that. So I would take my teeny tiny dauber. I'm going to just ever so lightly dip it into my ink or dab it onto my ink. And then if I wanted to make that stitch just a little bit of an emphasis, I can do that right there. So now I just colored my stitch line using my teeny tiny daubers. Okay, you guys enjoy using yours. Bye-bye.